Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So let's start today our math subject. So today we are going to continue from workbook, and in workbook lesson number 3, how much can you carry? So your pictures are given, so it is more easy for you to give the answer. So our question is, first question is write for the heavier object. Okay, you are going to put right mark for the heavy object, यानी जो भारी है ऑब्जेक्ट उसके लिए आपको राइट मार्क करना है. एंड रॉन्ग फॉर द लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट इन द गिवन बॉक्स. और अगर जो हल्की है चीज़ें वज़न में तो उसके लिए हमें रॉन्ग मार्क करना है. वन हैज़ बीन डन एज एन एग्जाम्पल. फॉर ये एग्जाम्पल पेपर है वो एक बुक से लाइट है तो पेपर लाइट वेट है तो रॉन्ग मार्क. बुक हैवी है तो राइट मार्क. ओके, सेम वे हियर इज अनदर पिक्चर नीडल. ओके, and you can see a sword. So needle is lighter, so wrong mark, sword right mark. Same way ball heavier than the marble, so wrong mark, that is lightweight marble. Ball is heavier than the marble, right mark. Next picture, bag, right mark. Compass box is lighter than the bag, wrong mark. Here also you can see a coat is heavier than the shirt. Okay, you can see picture. So this full question 1 you are going to do this way. Okay, button and a tire, glass, plastic glass and water bottle, laptop and mobile. Laptop is heavier than the mobile. Page number 30 you can see an exercise. There are 3 pictures given. So same thing we are going to do, put right on the heaviest object and wrong for the lightest object in a given box. One has been done as an example. 3 pictures are given and you are going to select which is the lightest from these 3. Okay, you can see this mid pin given, so wrong mark. And heavier than these 3 you can see X, right mark. Okay, so same way from 3 object you are going to select lighter object and the heavier object. Okay, so it is done. You can see from question 2 given on your workbook page number 30. Okay, now we see on page 31 question number 3, place the object as per position of balance scale. One has been done as an example. Now what you are going to do here, your balance scale is given. Okay, so obviously you know we did in the textbook, heavier part gets upside and lighter part gets downward. Okay, so here you can see lighter part, this one, and heavier part goes down because it is heavy, so it goes downside. So here is the picture. You can see watermelon is heavier than on this small orange. Okay, so same way you are going to do second object also. Pot is given and bottle is given. So obviously pot is heavier than the plastic bottle. Okay, so it goes upside, light side, heavier side goes downside. So this remaining 3 also you are going to do. Okay, tennis ball and football, pressure cooker and a small bowl, shoes and comb. Same way on the question 4, place the object as per position of balance scale. So here one more question, question 4 is also given. So same thing you are going to do, lighter and object position you are going to show with the help of arrow. Okay, now we see on page 33 question number 5, how much weight can you carry, match the suitable in an appropriate way. One has been done as an example as we did in textbook. So here was the same thing. Lighter object is a leaf by bird. Again, donkey, a cement bag, elephant, trunk, that is a part of tree. Okay, and a puppy, small ball, and an ant, sugar cube, small sugar cube, and one person pick is given. Okay, handle a bag, that is carry another picture of a bird, parrot, okay, chili. So this also you are going to match. And next we see same thing, question 6, okay, that was by birds and animal. And in question 6, how much weight can you carry? Match the suitable and appropriate weight. Okay, mother and a child, okay, then daughter and father. How much weight human beings according to their age they can carry weight. Now same thing, we continue this exercise that is given. Let us do homework given on page 37. Here you are going to give numbers according to their lightest to the heaviest object. Okay, so here is the question. Give the serial number, that is from 1 to 5. You are going to give number from the lightest to the heaviest for the object given below. यानी आपको लाइट वेट से स्टार्ट करना है और हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट जो है, ओके, तो वहाँ तक आपको नंबर देना है. टोटल 5 पिक्चर, 5 numbers you are going to give. So one I am showing you. First one, mouse, number 1. Second, heavy object than this, okay, heavier in weight, that is cat. Second one. Third one, puppy. And fourth, horse. And heaviest, fifth number, that is an elephant. Okay, so same thing, you are going to give numbers according to lightest to the heaviest. Okay, okay, let it be a bird, an animal, or a natural thing, okay, or a device, electronic device, or daily use to life. So here is your question. And one more question also we are going to continue, but that we will do in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.